In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable background apps in Brave browser. Brave browser includes a setting that allows certain processes and extensions to continue running even after the browser window has been closed. Depending on how you use your computer, this feature can either be very useful or something you may prefer to turn off. If you'd like to control whether Brave continues operating in the background, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. To begin, launch Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser is fully open, look toward the upper right corner of the window. There, you'll find the main menu icon. Click on it to open a list of options and browser settings. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's settings page where you can customize various aspects of the browser, including performance, privacy, security, and system-related features. After entering the settings area, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see several categories available. Find and click on System. This section contains settings that affect how Brave interacts with your computer's hardware and operating system. Once you're inside the System settings page, look for the option labeled Continue running background apps when Brave is closed. This setting determines whether certain browser processes remain active after you close all Brave windows. Next to this option, you'll see a toggle switch. If you would like Brave to continue running background applications, extensions, or services after the browser has been closed, simply turn the toggle on. When enabled, Brave may continue supporting certain browser functions in the background, which can be helpful for notifications, extension activity, and other ongoing tasks. On the other hand, if you prefer Brave to shut down completely whenever you close the browser, switch the toggle off. Disabling this setting prevents Brave from leaving background processes running after the browser is closed. Many users choose to disable background apps because it can help reduce memory usage and free up system resources. This can be especially beneficial on computers with limited hardware resources or for users who prefer to keep background activity to a minimum. However, if you rely on browser notifications or extensions that need to remain active, keeping this setting enabled may be the better choice. The great thing about this feature is that you can change it at any time based on your needs. The setting is easy to access and only takes a moment to adjust. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to enable or disable background apps in Brave browser and can now choose the option that best fits your browsing preferences and system requirements. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.